I've been trying to launch Hamster Kombat since morning, and I found out that each time I click on the button to start this airdrop, I keep on getting this error on screen, and I have to head up to their announcement page, and I got a notification that they are currently working to fix this error. So if you have this error on your phone when you try to open your Hamster Kombat, do not panic. It's just an error from them. Sorry, they are just working on fixing this, so it's just a short time glitch. So just take your time and just be patient. By the time you go to their announcement page, you can see we are aware of the issues with Hamster Combat app, and we are working to resolve it as quickly as possible. So just chill, this will be fixed in no time. So just be patient. Once this is fixed, you'll be able to access the bot again. All right, so that's just the update on Hamster Combat. So do have a wonderful day.